Type 2 on the Enneagram. My grain of sand as a Type 2 is heart, worth, and exaggeration. What this means is that I am driven by my heart, my emotional need. This might be unconscious to me, but I feel strongly connected to my heart. What might also not be known to me is that my emotional need is to validate my worth. And for this reason, I might exaggerate qualities in myself in order to appear in a way that helps me to be seen. And you'll see the word seen is highlighted in the keywords. I want to be seen in a way that validates my worth, that makes me feel needed and loved and appreciated. I am therefore trying to be helpful, and my helpfulness is coming out of my heart, coming from my sense of worth. And if my sense of worth is low, I might exaggerate even more qualities in me in order that you see me as helpful. I believe that when you see me as helpful, I'm going to know my worth. As I grow as a Type 2, my worth becomes clear. I no longer need to exaggerate qualities in me, and my emotional needs become more clearly met by my own wholeness. But in a lower expression, I'm going to try to be helpful in order to feel worthy. You'll see keywords there. I am trying to be nice. I'm putting a lot of effort into being nice. I'm even going to choose specific words that are kind words, that are helpful and nice words. I expect that people should be doing the same, that we should be nurturing each other in the way that I nurture. I nurture our connection. I nurture either the fact that you find me attractive, or that you find me to be kind and loving. I nurture our friendship or our connection. I might be nurturing in a parental way, or I could be nurturing our attraction to each other. It's important for you to see me in a way that I know I am a giving person. So I tend to give a lot. And I'm not so great at receiving. Until I actually know my wholeness and worth, then I can learn to receive. But it's not easy for me. I am helpful. I can help to the point where it becomes smothering, especially if I have a lower sense of self-esteem as a 2. I am a people pleaser, whether I am conscious of this or not. At my essence, I strive to be unselfish. I can be possessive because I really value connections and relationships above all else. I can also be interfering because my attention is on you rather than on me. I am sacrificing my needs for yours after all. I make an excellent host because I'm always aware of what other people need, and I'm trying to anticipate those needs and fulfill them even before they are declared or announced. Love is a very important word for me. I love to be loved. You might not know this about me, but I'm actually proud. I am proud to be your ideal friend or partner or lover, work colleague, or leader. I want to be the hero for you. I can be sentimental, but mostly I'm sentimental about what I have done for you. I'll tell you I don't need thanks, but the truth is I do. And I can get resentful if I'm not appreciated. If you look at my cartoon, you will notice that I have a smiling face. I'm going to show you how I'm okay even if I'm not. I might even exaggerate my okayness because I want to be your ideal someone. I'm going to ask you how you are rather. At my lowest expressions, I'm going to give you my apple even if I'm hungry. At my highest expression, I'll make sure I've eaten as well. I have my heart drawn on me because feelings, connections, relationships are that important to me. At my stress point, when I am at my lowest, I tend to take on some of the characteristics of type 8 on the Enneagram. Type 8 on the Enneagram is actually when I have given and given and given and feel unappreciated. And my resentment can come out as anger. My type 8 can also come out, and the characteristics of type 8 can come out, when I might be controlling with kindness. I'm controlling in an unconscious way, and I'm bossing with love because I want you to notice me, and I want you to appreciate me. And when my self-worth gets triggered, I can become very angry. Because after all, I've given so much and I've sacrificed so much, and I feel resentful that I am not appreciated. That's when I go to the worst characteristics of type 8. When I'm at my best, I take on the best characteristics of type 4. This is a very difficult movement for me, because I am so focused on you. And in order to move to type 4 and to take the polarity, my opposite of 4 on board, I have to focus on me. I have to move from a you song to a me song, which is very, very difficult for me because it triggers my sense of self-worth. But if I do this, I learn to notice my own feelings, my own needs, my own talents, my own skills, and I start to be able to truly look after myself. I don't feel guilty about receiving anymore, and I start to develop an emotional vocabulary that describes my honest feelings. Because when I am in a low function, I can't express my own feelings. Whereas when I touch into 4, I start being able to say, you know, I'm tired. I can ask for help when I access my type 4. And I can do so without resentment if people don't help me the way I always help them. When I, as a type 2, operate at my highest, I embody unconditional love. Love that is clean, without attachment, because I discover self-love. And in my self-love, I am able to give even more. Because I receive, and because I look after me, I am able to really share from my heart. That is type 2.